Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am flipping through two new sticker books from Planything that released today. I will have all the details down in the description. If you're interested in purchasing, I will have my affiliate link and a discount code for 10% off. We have two new sticker books and some really pretty new washi tape that are releasing today. And I'm going to flip through these, also do a plan with me, a little quick plan with me featuring one of these books. I'm going to go over the washi first. There are 4 rolls of washi. They're very nice neutral patterned washi, but they're obviously colored. So these are blue colored toned washi, and this one 2 grids, actually 3 grids, and a stripe. This grid right here has like a little bit of orange in it, which is really pretty. And then I have them swatched right here so you can see them a little bit better. But yeah, I love these like neutral patterned ones because they really go with a lot of spreads. So these will be perfect for some upcoming winter spreads. And it will coordinate very nicely with this Winter Vibes sticker book, which I'm about to flip through right now. Okay, so Winter Vibes sticker book, it's a 30-page sticker book, and all the decorative pages are going to be clear, which is nice. So we have some nice winter houses, and then you have 2 sheets. You'll get duplicate sheets in this book. A little village with the snow, so pretty. The little scenes. More of the little outdoor scenes. The colors are so pretty on this one. And then we have some coordinating boxes and something new, bullet points. So boxes and circles. So you can use those with the spread. Look at these adorable little snowmen. They're cute little scarves and beanies. So 2 pages like that. And some houses with snow. Super cute. And then the coordinating boxes. These pretty grays, blues and greens, and yellow. Then we have some cozy sweaters. These are actually really cute winter sweaters. Yeah, those are really pretty. Ooh, look at these cool snowflakes. Those are really nice. A New Year page. Got some girls down on the bottom. Fireworks and balloons to celebrate the new year. Some quotes. So we have, baby, it's cold outside, snuggle up and watch it snow. Sweater weather, hello winter, hot chocolate weather. Cute. So 2 like that. These are all clear. Then the boxes, blues, black, and a brown color. Some pretty winter florals. Green and blue tones. Ooh, I love these like pieces that are separate from everything else, because then you can make your own clusters, your own like floral arrangement with those. And then we have more boxes and bullet points and these circle stickers. Nice. Okay, so that is Winter Vibes. Now next is I Love Books. This is actually the book that I plan on using in the plan with me. I had my patrons vote on which theme they wanted to see me use, so that's already been decided. So I'm excited about that because they actually picked one of my favorites from here. So the first one is this super adorable kitty page. You got the kitties like on the chair and then reading the book on the books, and then of course books. There's gonna be books all throughout this page, all throughout this book. So 2 pages like that. Some bookstores, and like the walls lined with books, just covered in books. The stacks of books, really pretty. And then boxes. Ooh, these are really pretty colors. The blues and the browns. Look how pretty these little girls are reading their books. Super adorable. And I love the colors. Then we have the boxes for that theme. Nice, bright, colorful boxes. Then more houses. In the windows, you can see the books. Like all the books. Well, actually, they're not houses. They're like little bookstores. And then a like library. with all of the things. So you got a chair, a lamp, some glasses, typewriter, bookshelves. Ooh, look at these like fancy books. Very ornate books. I really like this page. I like the mix of the like colored illustration with the black and white. I think that would be cool in a spread to put those two together as it is shown on the paper. And then the boxes. Look how cute that is, the pink books. Nice. And then the pink boxes and purple. All right, and then next we have some words, some like reading related words. So reading, currently reading, review, read list, wish list, plan time to read. So for any of you who like to do a lot of reading, this would be great to track things. And then some quotes, so many books, so little time, reading is dreaming with your eyes open, just one more chapter, it's a good day to read. I really like how these have been designed, like with the illustrations and all the little like embellishments on them. I think it's really pretty. It's different too. Okay, so those are all the quotes, or all the sticker pages in that book. And those are the two books that are releasing today, and the washi. So like I said, I will have my affiliate link down in the description, also a discount code for 10% off if you're interested in purchasing. And now I'm going to do a plan with me featuring I Love Books. All right, so I have some planner pages. Usually I do a lot of vertical classic spreads, and my patrons requested that I do like some different layouts. So I got a request for a mini spread, which honestly, when it comes to Planything stickers, I feel like the stickers, these sticker books, they work well in any size planner, but I feel like they work the best in a mini size planner. All right, so they chose this page right here, which I love. I love this cute little cat page. Adorable. I don't think I'm going to use the washi, even though there are blue tones in here. I just feel like this goes better with the winter book, I feel, in my opinion. So I'm going to hold up on the washi, but I do have other Planything washi that I can use. So actually, let me grab some wax paper. Cute little kitty cats. Okay, I first want to do this one, because out of all the cats, it reminds me of my cat that I had. Well, actually, that one does. That gray one. But I want one. I'm probably going to pull that one. Ooh. I don't know which ones I want to pull. I want to pull all of them because they're super adorable. But for now, I'm going to pull this one on the... It was like fluffy, like how my cat was. Fluffy, super soft, and cute. Okay, so I'm going to also pull these books here. And maybe do a little layering of these. Or just putting next to, maybe. Let's see, something like that. Okay, so this is gonna go here. Actually, let me grab some washi. Let's see what washi I can grab. This is from Planything. This, again, she does a lot of like the grid and the striped, very neutral washi, like neutral pattern washi, but like lots of colors. There's lots of, like, she's definitely hitting out of the park with the options, so appreciate that. Okay, so these are gonna go up here. This little kitty cat's gonna go here, just chilling on the chair, all cute like. Okay, I'm gonna go to the coordinating. Well, actually, I don't know if they're coordinating, but I feel like these boxes go well, and then it ties in like the brown tones, which is good. So I really like this long little sticker here, which I will just put here. I'll cover this whole thing up. Oh, actually, it's It's too big. Okay, so plan B, maybe, is it too big? Actually, no, it'll work. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of shimmy it up. I'll cover up August. We don't need to say August. The dates, the dates and the month don't really matter because it's just a mock spread. Okay, so we have one there, and then let's do this here, little circle here, and I can do a decorative sticker up here. Okay, so which kitty cat? I want to do, maybe I'll do this one. It's so cute. He's on like the books, all adorable, just chilling. Cute, cute. Okay, I have this book that's like open. I don't know if I could fit this here. Okay. And then I told you this is gonna be like pretty quick because it's not that big of a space for this mini planner. But I like that. I like a nice quick spread. Just so you can see how these stickers can work in a planner spread. Oh, and now there's bullet points. I love that there's bullet points now, that she's included those, because that'll come in super handy. Like I can use them here. So I might bring in this color. And they're nice size too. So I like that. Okay, so that's that side of the page, really pretty. Now this side, let me put the washi down first. Get that down. And then on the top, great. Now, all right, so these boxes, I'm gonna use the ones that can fit in these little sections. So Saturday, let's do Monday. I can do a decorative sticker here. That's usually how I like to decorate this page. So let's see, which little guy are we gonna do up there? I do another one sitting in the chair. I like this one because it's got like more of a scene with it. Oh, this one has like a little book on the floor too. Nice. So we're just gonna put him here. So I like to use that section as a decorative part in this planner layout. Ooh, I like these little books too. I can scatter some of these around. Let's see, I'll do little books here in the middle. One more little kitty cat. Let's do, I can do this guy. Actually, I think I want to do this. I like doing things in the middle because it still gives me space to write in here, which I like. So maybe I'm gonna just take this to the right. Still space there, so that's good. And then let me add some more boxes. All right, I'm gonna go back to this page. Oh, actually, I could do a circle sticker. Let's do this blue one. possibly do books on top. Let's see. Or just do them on top there. Okay, and then bullet points. More bullet points. Okay, what color do I need over here? Oh, I need this like beigey color. So I think, oh, this actually fits. I kind of like the circle there, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, I didn't realize that one fit in this planner, so that's good to know. But I'm gonna put these beigey, or these like, yeah, they're kind of beige. Little dots here. I'll put a couple, oops, per box. Okay, a couple here. And I think I might put a couple more books. I think I want this guy too. Oops, not that one. Do this page. No, he doesn't fit. Okay, I'm gonna put him there just to get another cat on the page. And then another stack of books over here in this corner. And then really get a lot on these pages. As I was saying, these stickers are perfect for a mini spread. I'm just gonna stick that on top. Okay, how pretty is that? I love the colors. They're so nice. That is gonna be my spread featuring the I Love Books sticker book. So pretty. Love how that turned out. Again, this is available to purchase today. If you are interested, I have it linked down in the description, and then also make sure to use that discount code if you plan on purchasing. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.